Hello, and welcome back to Daily English Studio. I'm so happy you're here. I'm Anna.
And I'm Lucas. It's always a good day for some English practice, isn't it?
It really is. And you know, Lucas, you look really relaxed today. Is it a special day?
Well, I feel good, Anna. I just came back from a short walk in the park, just 10 minutes. It wasn't anything big, but it made me feel calm.
I love that. A short walk. It sounds simple, but it's so nice. And actually, that's a little bit connected to our topic today.
Oh, really? What are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about changing your life, but not a big, fast change. We're talking about changing your life slowly.
Changing my life slowly. So not moving to a new country tomorrow?
No, not tomorrow. No big, scary changes today. We're talking about the small things, the tiny steps we can take every day, because those small steps, they create a big, beautiful change over time.
I like that idea. It feels less scary. So we're talking about motivation and how to keep going?
Exactly. We're talking about how to build a better future, step by small step. And we're going to learn how to talk about it in English, using natural, everyday conversations.
Perfect. But before we start our conversation, let's say hello to our friends.
Yes, hello everyone. If you're enjoying this time with us, please let us know by clicking the like button. It helps us so much. And if you're new here, please subscribe to Daily English Studio. We make new lessons every week to help you speak English easily and without fear. We're so happy to learn with you. Okay, Lucas, are you ready to talk about slow changes?
I am ready. So, changing my life slowly. Where do we even start?
Let's start with a picture. Imagine, Lucas, 1 year from now. It's 2026.
Okay, future Lucas. He's 1 year older.
Is he happier? Is he healthier? Does he feel more confident speaking English?
I really hope so. That's what I want.
We all want that. And here is the important idea. Future Lucas is created by today Lucas.
Today Lucas creates future Lucas. So, my actions today decide my life tomorrow.
Yes, exactly. Every small choice is like a brick. You are building the house where your future self will live.
That's a powerful thought. It makes me feel responsible. Can you give me a simple example?
Of course. Let's talk about English, because we're all learning together. Many people think, I'm too busy today. I will study tomorrow.
Oh, I know that feeling. I'm tired. I'll do it later. It's easier to rest, to watch a video.
It is easier. Resting is comfortable. Studying feels like work. But let's think about future Lucas. If today Lucas practices listening for just 15 minutes every day, what happens?
In 1 year, that's a lot of minutes. Future Lucas will understand movies, podcasts, conversations much better.
He will. Future Lucas can travel and talk to new people easily. He can understand songs on the radio. He feels confident.
And he looks back at me, today Lucas, and says, thank you for those 15 minutes.
Yes, thank you for not scrolling on your phone. Thank you for listening to that podcast. Your future self will thank you.
I love that phrase. My future self will thank me. It changes the feeling. It's not a punishment. It's a gift.
A gift to your future self. And it works for everything, not just English, like your walk today.
My walk? Right. I wanted to stay inside. My sofa was very comfortable.
But you went for a walk, a short 10-minute walk.
Yes, I want to feel more energy. I want to sleep better. So when I choose to walk today, I'm giving a gift to future Lucas.
You are. You are saying, future Lucas, I want you to feel strong and rested.
That's a nice way to think. But Anna, it's still difficult. My brain says, relax now. The future is far away.
I know. Our brains love quick rewards, easy things. So how can we make it easier? My first tip is Don't look at the whole journey.
Don't look at the whole journey. What should I look at?
Look at the very next step. Only the next step. Don't think, I need to be fluent in English. That is a huge mountain. It feels impossible.
It does feel impossible sometimes. It's scary.
Instead, think, today I will listen to this conversation, or today I will learn 3 new words. Just 3 words.
3 words. I can do that. That's maybe 5 minutes?
Exactly. And if you learn 3 words every day, in 1 year, that is over 1,000 new words.
1,000 words. That's a big change.
Small steps every day create big change. Consistency is the magic word.
Consistency. Doing a little bit regularly. It's better than doing a lot one day and then nothing for a month.
Much better. You cannot drink all the water for the week on Monday. You need a little water every day.
That's a good example. So it's about building a habit, a small, easy habit.
Yes, a tiny habit. Brush your teeth, then say 2 English sentences out loud. Make your coffee, then listen to 1 short English song. Connect it to something you already do.
That seems manageable. Anna, does this work for other things, like saving money?
Oh, absolutely. This is a perfect example. Imagine you buy a sweet drink every afternoon. It's a small pleasure for today, Lucas.
It tastes good. It makes me happy now.
It does, but if you save that small amount of money every day, future Lucas can buy a new book, or a nice gift for a friend, or put it towards a trip.
So when I don't buy the drink, I'm not saying no to myself. I'm saying yes to my future self.
You are taking care of him. You are being a good friend to yourself.
Being a good friend to myself. We're often kinder to our friends than we are to ourselves.
It's true. We say to a friend, you can do it, keep going. But to ourselves, we say, I'm too tired, I'll start tomorrow.
We need to talk to ourselves like a good friend.
Yes, and remember this, Lucas. Time will pass anyway.
Time will pass anyway. What do you mean?
Think about next year, January 2026. It will come. We can't stop time.
That's true. The calendar will change.
So, 1 year will pass. You can arrive in 2026 with better English or with the same English. You can arrive feeling stronger or feeling the same. The time will pass if you take small steps or if you don't.
So I should use the time. The time is going to pass, so I might as well use it well.
That's it. It's not a scary thought. It's a hopeful thought. You have the power. Every day is a new chance to take a small step.
I feel motivated, Anna. I want to do something small today for future Lucas.
That's wonderful. What will you do?
I will write 3 sentences in my journal in English. Just 3. It's not a big essay.
Future Lucas will be so proud. He will read those journals and see his progress. And I will do 5 minutes of stretching before bed.
For future Anna.
For future Anna, she wants to feel flexible and relaxed. Everyone has 5 minutes. We often spend 5 minutes just looking for our phone.
Or waiting for the microwave. Yes, we can use those tiny moments.
Exactly. And you know, everyone listening right now is already taking a small step.
They are.
Yes, they are practicing their listening. They're hearing natural English conversation. Their future self is smiling right now.
You're right. So to all our friends listening, you are doing a great job. You are here. You are learning. Your future self is saying thank you for this time.
Don't stop. Keep going with us. Now let's practice some language. Let's talk about how to describe these small changes. A very useful phrase is, I'm trying to.
I'm trying to. It means I am making an effort. I am not perfect, but I'm doing my best.
Perfect. So, Lucas, what are you trying to do these days?
I'm trying to drink more water every day. I have a small bottle on my desk.
That's a great example. I'm trying to drink more water. Everyone, repeat after Lucas. I'm trying to drink more water.
Another phrase is I want to get better at.
Yes, I want to get better at. This shows a goal. Lucas, what do you want to get better at?
I want to get better at cooking. So I'm trying to learn one new recipe every month.
Wonderful. I want to get better at cooking. Say it with him. I want to get better at cooking.
And we can talk about progress with, I feel like I'm slowly getting...
I love that. Slowly getting. It's not fast, it's slow, but it's happening. For example, I feel like I'm slowly getting more confident.
Yes. Or I feel like I'm slowly understanding more English.
Let's practice a short conversation. I'll be me and you be you, Lucas. We'll talk about our small steps.
Okay, let's do it.
Hi, Lucas. You look focused today.
Hi, Anna. Yeah, I'm trying to be more organized. I'm writing a small list for my day.
That's a good idea. I'm trying to do that too. I want to get better at using my time well.
Me too. I feel like I'm slowly getting less stressed when I have a plan.
That's great progress. Small steps, right?
Small steps every day.
Okay, friends, now it's your turn. We will give you a speaking prompt. Don't be afraid. Speak out loud. Even if you are alone, just try. We will say a sentence and you repeat it. Then we will leave a space for you to say your own sentence. Ready?
Ready. First sentence, I'm trying to learn something new.
Pause. Now, your turn. Say one thing you are trying to do. I'm trying to... Go ahead.
Next sentence, I want to get better at listening.
Pause. Your turn. I want to get better at... What skill? Say it.
And last one, I feel like I'm slowly getting more confident.
Pause. Your turn. Finish this sentence. I feel like I'm slowly getting... Say it.
Excellent, you did it. That was wonderful practice.
Now, for our final speaking exercise, let's imagine a longer conversation. Two friends are talking about their goals and small changes. Listen carefully, and then we will ask you to repeat parts of it.
Conversation 1. Friend A. I feel so busy all the time. Friend B. Maybe try one small thing. I started reading 10 pages before sleep. It's not much, but it helps me relax.
Let's practice friend B's line. Repeat after me. Maybe try one small thing. I started reading 10 pages before sleep.
Conversation 2. Friend A. My English feels stuck. Friend B. I understand. But I listen to one short news report in English every morning. Just 2 minutes. I feel like I'm slowly getting used to the speed.
Repeat that helpful line. I listen to one short news report in English every morning. Just 2 minutes.
Beautiful. You are doing so well. Remember, these small conversations are how real life works.
Now we have a real task for you. This is your mission after this video.
We want you to think of one tiny, easy thing. One thing you can do today for your future self. It must be very, very small.
For example, today I will learn the word for window in English. Or today I will stand up and stretch for 1 minute. Or today I will save a small coin in a jar.
Just one tiny thing, and we want you to make a promise. Tell us in the comments below. Write, my small step today is, and then tell us your step.
When you write it, it becomes more real. It's a promise to yourself, and we will read every single one. We will be so happy to see your plans.
You can also encourage each other. Read the comments and say good job to your friends. Let's build a community that supports small steps.
And of course, if you loved this lesson, please give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel grow so we can make more lessons for you.
And subscribe to Daily English Studio. Click that bell so you don't miss our next conversation. We are here to help you speak English easily and without fear.
Thank you so much for your time today. You are amazing for working on your future.
Start your small step today. Be a good friend to your future self.
We believe in you. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next lesson.